Welcome back to Thunkable! Ready to build your 9th intermediate app? If you're not ready, here's a short video of Michael Jordan as a dinosaur. In this tutorial, we are going to be building an app with Google Maps, where every time we shake our phones, the app will refocus on your current location. This is a cool feature to incorporate into your apps. Let's call this app Intermediate App 9. App 9. Where am I? Where am I? Alright, good, great. Okay, to get started, go into the visualization section and drag and drop a Google Maps component onto your screen. That's a new thing that we haven't done before. Yay! That's great. Let's set the height and width of Google Maps to fill parent. That's over here. We're going to make Google Maps the entire size of the screen. There you go. Merry Christmas. Next, let's go to the sensors, and we're going to drop an accelerator component. Accelerometer. Why is that so hard to say? We're going to drop an accelerometer component into the app. That's over here. Great work. That's all we need for this app. It's time to block it out. The first thing we want to do is enable our location on Google Maps, which is just like, hey, Google Maps, tell us where I am right now. So in the block options for Google Maps, that's over here, select the first block which says when Google Maps 1.map is ready, do. Good. Go ahead and drop that into the blocks editor. Great work. Great blocking. So when the app is ready, we want to enable our location. So let's look for a location block. Let's see. We're going to go to the Google Maps. You see this? It says call Google Maps 1.enable my location. This guy right here. That's the one. Go ahead and thunk that into the other block. Great. Now to enable this block, which just means to tell this block to get your location, we just need to say, yes, enable my location. We can do that by going to the block options for logic. And we want to, that's over here, and we want to select this true block. You see it? It says true. And go ahead and thunk this into the opening over here. Terrific. Now the app can pinpoint your location on the map. And we want to enable the accelerometer. So when we shake the app, no matter where you are searching, you could be in China, you could be in Australia, you could be at my mom's house, that's over here. No matter where you are, you can shake the app and it's going to take you to your location. Okay, so what do we do? Let's go into the block options for accelerometer 1. That's over here. And we want the when accelerometer 1 dot shaking do block. Have you found it? Oh, good show, good for you. Go ahead and drop that right in. And next we want to call Google Maps to move to your location. So in the block options for Google Maps over here, find the block that says call Google Maps 1 dot move map to location and zoom level. Found it? Let's thunk that into the other block. Great. See the openings for latitude and longitude? So what are those? Well, your location is a combination of your latitude and your longitude on the map of the world. Latitude moves like this, longitude moves like that, and Michael Jackson moves like this. So how do you express latitude and longitude in an app? Well, we basically give you a list that looks like this. You've got latitude and longitude over here. But we don't want to give measurements for both latitude and longitude at the same time. We want to say, first, give me my latitude, and second, give me my longitude. The reason we do this is that both latitude and longitude numbers need to be given separately because they are separate measurements. So go into the block options for list, that's over here, and select the block that says select list item, item index. Where is that? Where's that fellow? Can't find it, can you? I'm just kidding. It's right here. Go ahead and thunk that into the block opening for latitude. Great. And you can just copy this block, so copy and paste. And go ahead and thunk that into the opening for longitude. That's delicious. In the first opening over here, we want to put a block that calls Google Maps to enable your location. So let's go into the block options for Google Maps. And we're looking for the block that says call Google Maps.getMyLocation. Call Google Maps.getMyLocation. Have you found it? Go ahead and thunk it into the first opening for latitude. And we can copy this and also thunk it into the first opening for longitude. How great is that? Now we just need to add an order, which basically tells our app to first find latitude and second find longitude. To do this, let's go into the block options for the math section. And just go ahead and get a blank number block. Blank number block. Thunk that into the second opening of latitude over here. And we do another copy and paste, and we can put this block into the second opening for longitude. Now, in creating an order to basically say do this first and then do this second, we're just going to put a number 1 over here in the latitude section. That's going to tell your app to find latitude first. And then we're going to write a 2 in the longitude block, so your app knows how to get longitude second. And for the last step, we want the map to zoom in on our location when we shake our phones. And if we don't do that, it's kind of just going to take us to the general area, but you won't be able to see anything. So let's copy a blank number block. That's one of these over here. And we're going to change the number to 15 to zoom in. And go ahead and thunk that in. And yeah, great. That's your app. Congratulations. Let's check this out in real time. Excellent work! We only have one more video left to go before you've completed the entire intermediate app building tutorial. Yay! Very exciting. Good for you. See you next time, and thanks for thunking!